Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you Samsung Galaxy phone tips, tricks, and also hidden feature you should know. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and for your information, this is Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. So this tips and tricks and hidden features are especially for Android 14. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the setting and I'm going to show you guys about the assistant menu. I'm going to show you how we can activate assistant menu feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. This is how the assistant menu looks like. From this assistant menu, you will be able to get quick access to some features such as brightness, screenshot, and then volume, and power off menu, screen control. Okay, and now it's time to now it's time to show you how to activate this feature. Go to your setting and then you're going to go to the accessibility setting. It's over here, and then go to the interaction and dexterity, and you will be able to activate the assistant menu here. And then I'm going to show you how we can edit the assistant menu items. You can click on this option and then you can click on select assistant menu items, and then you can choose the items you want to display on your assistant menu. These are my items, and you can replace the item here with the other item from this list. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you about the edge panel. This is how the edge panel looks like. When you activated this edge panel, you can get quick access to some applications, to some important applications here, and you will be able to access like music or note as well. And I'm going to show you how you can activate it. You can go to your setting, and then you're going to go to the display setting right here, and then scroll down until you find the edge panel and activate the edge panel here. And if you want to edit the edge panel, you can click on this option, and then here you can choose which panels you want to display. You can display apps, music, people, tasks, weather, reminder, or it's up to you. And as you can see, I have selected apps and music, and I'm going to add weather as well. Okay, and then we can go back, and I'm going to open it. Okay, if you want to switch from one panel to another panel, you just need to swipe left like this. Okay guys, and then I'm going to show you about advanced features on Samsung Galaxy phone. Again, you can go to your setting and then you're going to go to the advanced features. Okay, and go to motions and gestures, and here you'll be able to get useful features for your Samsung Galaxy phone. For example, double tap to turn on or turn off the screen. So in case if you have problem with your power button, you can double tap to turn on or turn off the screen, and then left to wake as well, and then mute with gestures, palm swipe to capture, and also alert when phone picked up. Okay, I recommend you to activate all these features on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.